Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Ricardo Costa and today I'll show you how to make your text inside a circle in Photoshop. With your work already open, let's start by selecting the ellipse tool and change the type to path. Make a circle, holding the shift key to make a perfect circle. Now select the horizontal text tool, select any font you want. I will use Arial 60 pixels black. And now you should notice of the cursor's icon and click when you see the eye with a wavy line. Then start typing your text. Okay, but I want that my text appear in another place, so select the path selection tool and you can now click on the center and move the text. Another important thing is to align the starting point of the text, so let's click on the text and rotate it. Be sure to keep the cursor outside of the circle, and this is one way of doing text in circle. And now you said, that's cool, but I also want to put text inside the circle. Let's do it. So, select the text tool and type your text. Then select the path tool and rotate it to the text to the top. Right click on the text layer here, then duplicate layer. I will rename it as text inside and then while still holding the click, move the cursor inside the circle. Look how cool it is. Now you can click again on text tool and change your text. However, this could look a little bit tight, so select all your text and go to Window, Character and change the spacing to 200. Then click on the check mark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and write down a comment if you have any question. See you next time for more Photoshop tutorials.